Where can people check you out? What do you have going on? What's your flagship offer? Chelsea, let us know exactly what you have to offer and where people can find you.
Yeah, so you can find me on Instagram, TikTok, and especially LinkedIn. I love being on LinkedIn. For Instagram and TikTok, it's the Marketing Goblin. So that's the only way I'm going to be able to show up authentically and consistently. And what I do is I primarily work with like small businesses and startups, set up their infrastructure for that marketing growth so that they can like get past um, that plateau or stagnation in their business. And then I help them hire in the appropriate teammates or find additional like contractors to fill that void and then turn around and teach them how to continue to execute that strategy with yearly checkups. And then I also teach it to universities as well.
Aliko had to hop early, but you can check her information out on the show notes. And last but not least, David. David, what are you up to? What do you have to offer, and where can people find you?
You can find me at the Friendly Bear podcast. So it's just the Friendly Bear on YouTube. Recently I put a lot of like production into the videos, so they're fun to watch, and you get a glimpse into my world. So go watch those on YouTube. Instagram, reverse LONG, all one word, and yeah, you can find me there. And LinkedIn, of course, David Capablanca. Yeah.
Of course, LinkedIn as well. And I am your host, Jontay Delaine, founder of Digital Delaine, a full-service digital marketing agency where we help bring new brands, campaigns, and ideas to life. Thank you for tuning in to this episode of The Brand Behavior. We hope you've gained valuable insights into the art of networking and how it can elevate your business. Don't forget, subscribe to our podcast on your favorite platform and visit our website at digitaldelaine.com/podcast. If you enjoyed this episode, please leave us a review and share it with your network. We'll see you next time.